$40,000 later. So if you guys have been following my journey, you guys know that I have probably spent close to $40,000 or over $40,000 at HERMÈS trying to get a Birkin or trying to get a Kelly, and I've had no luck for damn near a year until, bitch, we got it. Well, we got something. We got something, and we got something, okay? So that's gonna be the big box right here. I want to do an unboxing, but I'm kind of just like, I cried today, you guys. I literally cried. I'm not a crier. Am I a crier, Jada?
No.
I'm not a crier. I'm not really that emotional. But like, I have been working so hard at this. I have been working so hard on my business. Like, this year has just been such a crazy year, and I'm just beyond, I don't want to fucking cry. I am just beyond grateful. I'm not gonna cry until I open it, okay? I'm not gonna cry until I open it, but I just want to say thank you so much to everyone that's cheered me on, supported, all the good stuff. Let's do an unboxing / story time. So today I was invited to a private shopping event at HERMÈS. The entire store was closed, except for, you know, the good old clients like myself. And basically I just had like the entire store to myself. I had as much time as I wanted. I was just running around the store, seeing all the things. Oh, I love this one. Okay, two little pouches. This is something I've actually always wanted. I'm gonna show you guys this first. This is like a little itty bitty baby pouch. This is Togo leather. Super cute. You can put like a little wallet, cards in here, your ID, etc., etc. But this is what's really tea. Oh my God. This is the Kelly belt. I am obsessed with the color gold, although I feel like a lot of the things right now that I have are like silver, but I've been like obsessed with gold forever. And so I finally have my first Kelly belt. Black, gold, freaking hardware. Look at this. Is this not the freaking cutest thing ever? But what I really love about this is the fact that, ooh, not a car, the devil, demonic. What I love about this is the fact that you can literally slide, what's it called? Slide a little thing, just like that. And so when you, how the hell, this man did it for me, you guys, and I don't even know what he did. Okay, so basically what you do is you put it on like this. Lock it. Can you guys even see my waist or no? Mm-hmm. Okay, lock it, and then it's like, oh my God, is this not the cutest thing? And then the way that he tightened it was like, I don't know. I don't really know what he did, to be honest, but I'll figure it out later. But yeah, here's how it looks. So I can either wear it with the pouch or without the pouch. Gold hardware is just so freaking sick. Do you guys like this or no? I fucking love this shit. It's just so freaking cute. Love it. This was, I'll do like an actual price breakdown later, but this was like super cute. I didn't care how much it was. And these are kind of hard to get, so literally love that. That was purchase number one. It's like a 2-in-1. I love that. So yeah, whole store to myself today. Super exciting. This was my first private experience at HERMÈS as well. Like, I'd never been invited to any of their events. And ironically, I was thinking when I was like, I would love to go there. And so the fact that I was able to do it was just so dope. And I've been working with my essay for a minute now. And oh my God, this one is sick. Bitch. So we had gold hardware on the last one. This one is silver, no, palladium, we call it palladium hardware. He said that this one was like really limited and really rare. Like, they don't really keep a lot of these in stock. So I'm obsessed with this. Again, Kelly, love Kelly. I don't really know what I'm gonna wear this with though, because I don't really, like, I wear white, but like, I don't know. So you can obviously wear this on the hip. You can also wear, if you're wearing like a dress, you can wear it up, you know, kind of like cinching your waist. But do you guys like this one? I'm gonna have to figure this one out. This actually matches a little bit my sister's bag. We're gonna have her on a little bit later, but her. Okay, love this. So this is this one. Anywho, private situation. I brought my entire family with me today because when he told me that he was inviting me to a private event and like I was gonna have the entire store to myself, I felt like it was going to be something special. I felt like it was going to be like a good day today, but I still didn't really know what was going to happen. So it was just like okay, we're going to go. Should I open up the little one? Oh shit. Okay, so this one is a little tiny box. I forgot what this is actually called, to be honest, but I'm just going to show you guys what it is. And when I first started shopping at HERMÈS, I would always see these and be like, what's the reason? Like, what is this? Like, why? But as I've really grown to like shop with the brand, I've just learned to really love everything, the craftsmanship, the leathers. I mean, this is just like so cute, so simple. And I've like, my personal style has just changed and evolved so much in this past year. So I feel like I'm more understated. Although today is kind of like extra, but super cute. Do you like this? You do? Bible, swear?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I like this too. That was time. Oh my God. Now it's time for, my heart is fucking racing. My heart is racing. Oh my God. I don't even want to open it, but I'm going to open it. But I'm just like.
It's time for Big Mama.
Big Mama. Big Mama. Big Mama. Oh my God, you guys. You guys don't even understand what it took for me to get this. Damn near $40,000 later, okay? Straight from the boutique, bitch. Straight from the boutique, okay? Straight from the boutique of the boutique. We have. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my God, my heart. Oh my God. 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 Okay. Oh my God. I'm about to fucking, why am I gonna fucking cry? Why am I gonna cry? I cannot. It has a fucking pillow in here. Do you know how bougie this is? The purse has a pillow, bitch. The purse has a pillow, bitch. It's a pillow. Oh, what's this? Oh, wait a minute. Hold on, we got something new. What's this? This is, okay. The purse has a pillow. Oh my gosh. Okay. I just could not believe this is even mine. Hello, welcome to the family. I'm so happy for you to be here. Oh my, okay. Okay. Jada's like, let's go. Okay. Introducing the baddest bitch to ever walk the freaking streets of fucking Hermes. Oh my God. Do you guys freaking see this? B25, black, Togo leather, freaking gold hardware. Oh, it is so buttery soft. Like it literally feels like, it feels like butter. Oh my God. Oh my, I just cannot believe this is mine. Like I just cannot believe I cannot believe this shit happened. Like, bitch, you see that? Oh my fucking fuck. Okay, so, oh my God. Okay, I'm literally shaking. I'm literally freaking shaking. Oh my God. So I don't even want to really touch it. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. So I was not expecting this at all. We were actually, after I was done looking at belts and stuff, we were shopping for my brother some shoes. It's his birthday coming up. And my essay gets a phone call. And I'm like, ooh, maybe he has another client or something. And he's like, oh my God, I have to go run downstairs. It's a little emergency. It's a surprise, but it's a surprise for you. And I said, for me? And in that moment, my entire body started to shake. And I'm even kind of like shaking right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Even the inside is, oh my God. The smell of money, the smell of wealth, the smell of damn near 40,000 at Hermes. Oh my, I have a little look. I have my own little locket. Oh my gosh. The plastic is still on. They have the keys in here. Oh my God. Okay, so that's that. And then what is this? Oh, I think this is what the actual locket goes in. Oh my God, this is so freaking dope. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Let's just take this off. Oh my, it even has a compartment on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me not stretch it out. I'm sorry, girl. How do people even wear this? Do they wear it like this? Like, is it like this? Is it like this? I don't know. You guys comment down below. How do you wear yours if you do have one? How have you seen it worn? This is just like the most iconic bag ever. It was actually between this and a pink. I'll get more into details later, but God is so good. I finally got my bag. I feel like my life is complete. Thank you so much to my essay. I fucking love you. You're a fucking legend. you fucking amazing, beautiful, kind, spirited soul. You were like, we locked in forever. But